The GoPro Hero 9 will always have a soft spot within my heart. When I first got it for my birthday, I got it brand new and still in the box. So you can imagine how unboxing it felt, opening up and seeing everything. Now, the first thing I'll say is when it comes to the little red flashing light at the top of the screen, do not cover it with electrical tape like I did here. If you want to disable it, you can do so from preference settings, followed by general, and then turn off those LEDs. So basic, just like any other camera. You got the record button, and on the side here, we have the power button. Press and hold that power button to turn your GoPro on, and press and hold again to turn the GoPro off. Now, the GoPro Hero 9 is a simple touchscreen sensor. Now, the only thing is you want to keep up with your updates to make sure your touchscreen is easy to navigate. But once you got that down packed, you can navigate from camera, video, and even the next one, which I'm going to show you, which is going to be a time lapse. I took this video before I had any docking equipment. Time lapse, it's definitely a fun feature. So after I bought myself some accessories, I then mounted my GoPro to the passenger headrest by actually using a GoPro strap that's meant for the head like a helmet. Now, your GoPro will come with one battery included, which is good for about 4 hours of recording, depending on the settings that you have it programmed on. A simple solution for the GoPro battery is simply getting a second one like I did. So I did end up purchasing a second GoPro battery. And I don't regret it, especially if you're going to be on the go. Being that the GoPro Hero 9 is an action camera, it needs to be able to mount to things. So they put the clasps on the bottom of the GoPro. And the good part is GoPro gives you with the GoPro Hero 9 the clasps and as well the pegs and adapters so that you can mount it to different things. To remove or put back your GoPro battery, open up that little side door by pulling the latch and flipping it open. Then from there, you can pull out your battery directly. Now, as you can see, I've banged up my GoPro battery more than once, and not just on the primary battery, but as well on the secondary battery. So you don't have to worry about it too much. As an action camera, it's built for these batteries. So your GoPro can be charged two ways. One, you open it up and you connect it to the charger. Or two, you can actually go and buy an independent charger where the battery fits in and charges directly there. Lastly, this is an action camera, so make sure to get yourself a fine dandy little case so that you can help it to be protected. Otherwise, don't worry, I've dropped my GoPro numerous times and it's still standing till today.